Hi everyone, welcome to Diamond Paints with Mike, and I am super excited to show you what I've been buying in the range. We are going to be bringing you the big paintings now. So we're starting off with a small, and then I'm going to be introducing some brand new ones that I've waited so long to film because I haven't had a tripod over here, you see, so they're too big to get in. And I wanted to show you like face down and stuff. But anyway, this is the range unboxing, and the first one I got from this beautiful company is called the Giraffes. Yes, as you know, I'm doing a zoo theme at the moment, but as we're approaching the end of July, unfortunately, this probably won't make it in time. So I thought that I'd do this for like next year, or whenever I decide to do a second series, because there will be a second series. I just don't know when yet. Very similar to the cats. But anyway, this was $4.99. I do believe I got it on delivery. And inside here, we have a beautiful painting. That fabulous company called Art Studio. And we've got the two little brackets so that you can hang it up on the wall. The option's there. You don't have to do that, but it's entirely your choice. And inside here, you get your stretch canvas, 30x30. It's a 1 wax square, 1 diamond painting stylus, 1 gem base, 20 coloured gem bags, and wall hanging kits. So let's get into this here. I haven't had a look, I promise. It's just they didn't put a seal thing on it. So, oh my God, watch. Good God, that's a hell of a lot of bags. Wow. Oh my God, I'm so super happy right now. Should we look at them first, or should we look at the painting? Let's look at the painting. Is it going to be a good one? Is it going to be a good one? Please. Oh, yes, look at that. Oh, yeah, man. That's going to be beautiful. They've really done a crystal clear print on this. That's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, wow. So that's probably like the mum, and perhaps that's the young one. It does remind me, there was this is a real story. There's a giraffe, it was at London Zoo, I don't know if he died now. I believe his name was Jumbo or Jambo, and so the story goes, his mum chewed his ear off. I don't know what caused her to do that, but apparently that's what happened. So if you just like search on Google, giraffes ear chewed off London Zoo, it should bring that story up. But yeah, it was a very fascinating story, and obviously London Zoo has a big history because it's where Harry Potter was filmed. And you know, it's where sort of Born Free Foundation began because of an elephant there that started that charity off. But let's get into here and see what we've got in this fabulous, gorgeous painting. So let's get into here. So I don't think, they've not provided a schematic chart. That's annoying. I know it's on the edge, but sometimes they do provide that. So that's a bit not fair. Oh no, maybe it's inside, I don't know. But let's pop that over to one side for the minute. As you can see here, you've got a whacking great big, very generous packet of bags there, and your gold screws in the bracket. As you can see, I'm not going to open that yet because we won't be doing it for a while yet. Probably won't start on it till next year now. But inside here, yeah, there's no shape. Oh, that's a pain. Normally, like, it's a bit hit and miss because sometimes you've got them and then sometimes you don't. But inside here, we've got a wasabi sort of big colour here. And we've got a purple lilac, a brown, another brown, and a sort of yellowy colour, a green, a beige, yellow, sort of, don't know. A light blue, a brown, a very gorgeous lime green. That looks so good against the brown, doesn't it? And then we've got a brown sort of colour, and a green, and another purple, sort of terracotta colour there. Very sort of dull looking colour, a black and a pink, again, perfect colours there. And then we've got a pink, a pink, a green and a grey. So that's our first painting, which I'm absolutely super excited about. So as I said, this is from Art Studio. So let's pop that into there for safekeeping for the minute, because I've got some others that I want to show you, and we'll pop that into there. Whoops. Well, I'm getting there. So I think Roxanne might like this. She does like her giraffes. But Roxanne, we've got the painting for you next, lovey. So in here, this is a whacking great big one. Remember Sunday Morning Love You with Bim Narulu? Well, this is going to be next year's Sunday Morning Love You. Well, in here we have, look at this, 50 times 40 centimetres up here, and I just had to have it. It's the two swans. They reckon there's over 16,500 crystals. I don't believe that for 1 second, because it's like some of the paintings that I've had before. They've said 30 times 30, and it's been like over 1,000 or so, but there's never been like 1,000 in there. But I don't know. But I had to have it. It's on stretched wooden canvas. I can't get the tripod up any higher, so I'm going to give it a go. But sometimes when I do that, it cuts me off. So I think we'll leave it there for the safe side here. But let's take a look in here and see. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm so excited about this. It's just like the Love Swans, isn't it? So what do you think of this, Roxanne Tucker? Because I know you love your swans. So let's take a look inside here. 40 times 50, I think that's probably going to take me a while, because it's not my usual size I work on, you see. But look at this, and see what I mean? It's very hit and miss, because when we did the giraffe, we didn't have that. Why is it some they do? Maybe it's Hinkler Create that includes them. Maybe I'm getting confused, but sorry, I'm doing this back to front. Oh, do you know what? Let's do this first, seeing as we've opened it now. Oh, so exciting, isn't it? Like Christmas Day. I love getting into new stuff. It's getting it for the first time and seeing a nice, fresh, new painting. So, again, I don't like the idea of this stuff on here like that, because it does pull the stuff off. But inside here, and sometimes you have to, like, peel carefully or lose the bag. So, you can pretty much see it's got that in there. It's probably going to tear the bag off. So, just take that off. So, we'll put that to one side. I need to tackle that separately because I don't want to rip the bag. But we've got a whacking great big Shemetic here. Look at that, 30 colours. Oh, wow. So, look at that. Massive, great big chunky bag. Fantastic. Let's get into here and see what we got. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. It sounds like Churchill. Okay, so inside here we've got a beige and an orange. Dark orange. We've got a... Oh, these colours are so like a turtle vibe under the sea, isn't it? Lots of greens and blues here. We've got a minty green and a light blue and a green and a banana sort of colour. Okay, and then let's take a look at these ones. Oh yeah, baby, look at that red. Very very vibrant. And then we've got a blue and we've got a green and a sort of, don't know colour. A blue and a red. That's probably a 666. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what it is. Is it a 666? No, it's a 349. I can tell you. Reason I say that is because they don't print it on there. So to get your DMC code, you're probably going to have to look at the bag. So as you can see, 310 we all know is a black. And then obviously they'll be on there for you. But we got a sort of lighter tomato colour there. And a green. And a grey. And then a brown. Another brown. Sort of minty green. Is that a 666? It's a 606. We were very close there. A yellow and a brown, a rougey colour, a blue, terracotta maybe, and two blues. So this is super exciting. Now for the best bit of four. That was a crap drum roll impression. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's just overreacting a bit, because I'm telling you now, this is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful, fiery, stormy red sky. That's fantastic. And then you've got these lovely two swans here. And yeah, this is gorgeous. I love how the little beaks meet. That's so cute. And then down here, we've got like the reflection of the two birds. Oh my God, I'm knocking over the bottles here. Oh God. It's the trouble with these size paintings. And then that beautiful blue sea. I love the way, I can tell here this is shadowing, because that's why it's black. It's to create like a shadow look. But as you can see, guys, this is going to be Miss 2025 painting of Sunday Morning Love You. Yes, so I can't wait to get into this. Absolutely gorgeous. And let's take a look at the stick. Yeah, beautiful. Roxanne, you're going to have to let me know what you think. So that is that one. And I have got 2 more big ones, but I'm only going to show one more on this occasion because I don't know how much storage I've got left on the phone, you see, because I've been away over here. I've not had a chance to upload any of that tiger that we're working on at the moment for the zoo theme. So, yeah. So that's that one. And talking of tigers, that's where we leave the next one. I need to stop buying tigers. But this is the next one. I could not resist this. I had to get it on delivery because I don't carry big things. It's just very, very bulky and it's a bit of awkward trying to carry them all on the train. So look at this, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? It's not just one. We've even got the white tigers, and we don't do very many white tigers, but this was a lovely price at $6.99, and it's from that lovely company called Art Studio. I don't think you're going to have brackets with this because they don't tend to give you brackets. Oh, they do. Wow. Okay. I was thinking that they might not have a bracket for big ones, but bloody hell. They've actually been very generous and give us 2 wax squares on this. This is a wall hanging kit. So yeah, what I really liked about this is the fact that it's in that forest sort of vibe. Very Jungle Book vibe again. Let's take a look inside here and see. Oh, that's been open as well. I think people have been looking at them in the shop and taking off the seal and going, oh yeah, that's nice, and putting it back. Because this is now the second one I've had with no seal on it, but it's all there by the looks of it because it's got the film on it. But let's take a look at the Ultimate Fluge and wow, oh baby, baby, baby. So you know what this means, guys, is that oh Jesus, because I ain't got scissors. You know what this means is that we can go live back over here again. So I think the last time I went live here was when they went to Butlins way back in, when was it, June or April last year? I remember working, because we went live with a little turtle, didn't we? But inside here, getting the standard sort of bag and screws and stuff, I suspect they just screw on the back of this board thing up here, because that looks like it's MDF, which is a type of wood here. And interesting enough, this is not sellotaped. I've just noticed that. So that's quite interesting. A whacking great big bag. So seeing big bags like this really does sort of like, it really sort of worries me a bit. Because I just know it's going to take ages to do. But that's the fun, right? So inside here, your classic jungle colours. They've been very generous with 3 packs of this colour, which is a 3371 apparently. We've got a lovely couple of greens, an orange and a brown, and we've got a peachy colour, a green and a brown and a pink. I do like that pink. A very sort of gorilla poop colour and greens again. I don't understand why they don't keep like all the greens together, because they've got green up here, but anyway. Lighter greens, I don't think we've worked with that before, so this is going to be beautiful colour. We've got a purpley colour, a couple of blacks, grey and yellow, so absolutely gorgeous. And then we also have this colour here, so we've got a sort of like a beigey colour, a red, yellow and a brown. So let's take a look at this, and OMG. Okay, wow. Okay, so that's interesting. I was hoping it would be a little bit more, you know, lighter in that, you know, with the green. It looks like it's very sort of like dark looking, you know, but this is gorgeous. It is a little bit darker than I expected. I would have thought it'd be more light with the trees and stuff, but these, you can't even actually see the trees. They've actually just included the stumps or the tree trunks. So we wouldn't be able to tell what the trees look like. We've got this lovely white tiger. Again, looking at that, I'll probably put a bit of sealer on it and put like a gem or a rhinestone in there. It is possible, or maybe. I love his sort of like black and white tail going down. That's really, really cool. And then you've got this lovely, beautiful Bengal tiger here. Absolutely gorgeous. Just staying there, you know, sitting there, having a little rest. And his friends coming over here is going to be beautiful. This is a really, really lovely, lovely company. And this Art Studio, they do like to tuck it over the edge. So Yeah, beautiful stick. Try not to do that as, you know, too much, because it will take the stick off. So and try when you're painting not to like leave this off too long, because when the air gets to it, it can sort of dry it out. But yeah, it looks really, really gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. Even the glasses agree. They've just given me a toast. Oh dear. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's my little diamond painting unboxing. I'll just pop that back in the box, because as I said, I try to do diamond paintings when I know the theme is there. I don't like to work on a theme, like I don't work on a painting that we're not doing. This is making no sense, is it? What I'm trying to say is, if it's not a tiger theme, I'm not going to work on it, because it's not that theme. I normally work on them if I know I'm doing tigers like the month before, normally about mid-month. But yeah, I have got two more big ones to show you. And in the range, they've got this whacking great big wolf. It's they've got a husky as well, but I quite like the big, I've already got the husky, as you know, but they've got that whacking great big. It's like a purple one with a like, it's just like a face of it. But let us know what you like. Is it the tigers? Is it this beautiful one here? This one actually feels a lot more thicker. You see it's a lot more thinner here, but remember, this is Art Studio and this one's a Hinkler Create, so that's probably why. We got that one, and we've also got ourselves this one here, which looks absolutely gorgeous. So I've got more big ones to come. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I would advise ordering them, because then you don't have to lug them all the way back if you rely on public transport like myself, because it can get quite bulky, you know, especially if like other passengers need to like have a sit down, or you know, you're taking up room with all these paintings on the other seat, you know. But anyway, thank you for watching. The links are in the description of the video, and we'll see you very, very soon for more of the big series of diamond painting unboxings. Take care, and we'll see you next time.